Welcome to this video on ranking your YouTube channel. If you want to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience, follow these strategies to optimize your channel and improve your search rankings. The first strategy is keyword research. Use tools to find relevant and popular keywords for your content. By targeting the right keywords, you can attract more viewers who are interested in your videos. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Make sure your videos are engaging, valuable, and well-produced to keep viewers coming back for more. Optimizing your video metadata is crucial for search rankings. Write descriptive titles, compelling descriptions, and relevant tags using the keywords you researched. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. Custom thumbnails play a significant role in attracting viewers. Design eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your video content and entice people to click and watch. Video optimization is essential for a positive viewer experience. Ensure your videos are well edited, have good audio quality, and are easy to watch. A well-optimized video keeps viewers engaged and encourages them to stay on your channel. Consistency is key when it comes to building an audience. Regularly upload new content to keep your viewers engaged and your channel active. This helps you establish a loyal subscriber base. Promote and share your videos on social media platforms to increase their visibility. Embed them on relevant websites and engage with your audience to encourage more views, likes, comments, and subscriptions. Engagement and interaction are vital for YouTube's success. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. This signals to YouTube that your content is valuable and helps improve your search rankings. Collaborating with other creators in your niche can expand your reach and attract new audiences. Partner with like-minded YouTubers to create collaborative content that benefits both channels. Monitor your channel's performance using YouTube Analytics. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your content and channel strategy. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent with your strategies, and you'll see your channel grow and rank higher in search results.